Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at DELL. It is time for another update, and on this chart we have been tracking this idea of a double 1-2-1-2 setup that may have occurred and completed. Now we need to be open for a couple of different options, so there is the possibility that this wave 2 has not yet actually completed and could still extend within the yellow scenario where we are tracking a possible additional wave C to the downside. And then another possibility from what we have here on the chart is the idea that this was the wave 1 up, a wave 2 down here, then this was a third wave up instead, a fourth wave down, and we now may be developing a fifth wave, basically resetting this wave 1 top. And in that scenario, there is a risk that we could turn this entire chart into this ABC structure, and it is not necessarily desirable, because in that case we would be looking for quite a steep correction afterwards. But of course we have been tracking the additional possibility, or the main possibility rather, that we could be here already in the third wave to the upside, where in the previous video we were looking for additional highs, so we have pushed higher after looking for a previous top in this area and a larger correction in a wave 2. But since we pushed higher, we have been tracking this as a continuation, a possible continuation of this wave 1, the initial wave 1 to the upside, instead of the actual wave 2 having a bottom here and starting the third wave to the upside. Now I cannot rule that out, at least not fully. And in that case, it may still occur, but so far the pattern to the upside doesn't look too convincing. And in the previous video, I was looking for still additional highs within this wave C. And in that case, we had a 1, 2, 3 pattern here. We had a wave 4 support zone that would allow us to find support for a fifth wave to the upside. We got that. And now I actually have a full pattern within this ABC pattern within the wave 5 internally, and again we are looking for a possible retracement, larger retracement within a wave 2 correction. Now this would imply that this wave 1 to the upside is in a diagonal structure, and in that case I would be looking for this wave 2 correction to go into the support area between the $117 level all the way down to the $80.6 level. And as long as we hold the 78.6% retracement, we are still looking to find support and push higher in either a third wave to the upside or a wave C that would be part of the idea that this wave 1 would still be extending. We would have instead an ABC pattern instead of a 1, 2, 3. In either case, we are looking for the same pattern to develop generally in this area. So a 1, 2 or an AB, the same support zones, the same probabilities for this to actually work out to the upside and create an additional new all-time high. And of course, since it is a diagonal structure to the upside, I can provide an estimative count on what we have developed in this area. And here we have a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, a third wave up, fourth wave down, and here a fifth wave to the upside. Now we can remove this internal support zone, and could we track direct continuation to the upside? Well, yes we can, but it is not something that is not fragile. We have in the idea that this could indeed be a third wave to the upside or something in that aspect. This could be a double 1, 2, 1, 2, then another 1, 2 set up here. And this would actually need to probably be another 1, 2, because I have pretty much a diagonal structure. Now this is in the short time frame. If I look here from the hourly, I could argue that this could maybe work out as an impulse in some way, maybe with the triangle, but I wouldn't necessarily consider this the actual wave 3. And in the case of the correction here in a possible additional 1, 2 setup, I could give you even an extended area of support if you are really bullish on DELL and want to make sure you take part of the further rally that should await us. You could be looking for support here in the area between the $150 level all the way down to the $134.7 level. We do even have some confluence with the structural support at the 50% retracement, the 61.8% retracement, and even if we look here at the 78.6, let's see, yeah, on the larger time frame we do have some structural support, but actually nothing too significant in fact. So yeah, for now there really isn't much else to add. Personally, I'm still looking from the larger time frame perspective for the correction in wave 2. We have updated the support zone, and yeah, these are the levels. This is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.